What's up guys, my name is Amit Pandey. I'm an entrepreneur and a sneakerhead, and I've been studying about shoes for the last 15 years now. Welcome to this channel Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Guys, I'm extremely delighted to be on the camera today and share this amazing feeling with you. I just bought Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66 metallic pack, which is recently launched by Onitsuka Tiger in India, and I'm here to reveal its first look to you. So as a sneakerhead, every time you buy a shoes for yourself, it's a joyful moment obviously. But today's feeling is a special one for two reasons. One, that I fell in love with these sneakers the moment I saw it and I wanted to have it instantly. And second, I wasn't really expecting the delivery to be so quick. It was rapidly delivered to me, and I have this box with me. So let me just begin what I'm here for, unboxing these trendy, stylish, and now one of my favorite sneakers also. Wow, just wow, look at this, I am speechless. These stylish looking and attractive sneakers is the best thing to happen to me till now. Let me tell you guys that Onitsuka Tiger has really stepped up the sneaker style game and they are ruling it. I bought this from the official Onitsuka Tiger website for 7,999. There are no offers as of now because these are recently launched in India. I even tried these shoes and stepped out, and not to my surprise, there were a lot of people noticing these swanky sneakers. Now as you check out how they look on feet from different angles, here is a piece of important information for you all. Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66 is named so because it was first released during the Mexico Olympics in 1966 by Onitsuka Tiger Company. The first model, designed exclusively for the Japanese sports team, started strictly as a sports shoe. And since then, this silhouette has gone through minor style changes from time to time but has never gone out of trend. Simple design, yet so elegant. You are bound to notice it the moment you see it. And since this one is named as the metallic pack, you must have noticed a shift in the material used on stripes. This legit metallic material used on the stripes and collar lining area is superbly done. And this change is pretty loud. You can't just escape once you check out these sneakers. Now let's talk about the inner feeling and cushioning. Now Onitsuka Tiger themselves clarify that these shoes are not meant for high performance athletics. That means you cannot expect them to be that comfortable and stable like your professional running shoes or professional sports shoes. But still, to my surprise, when I was walking in these shoes, I could still feel that good level of cushioning. So I found out that these come with Ortholite insoles. Now if you watched my earlier videos wherein I was reviewing Asics Gel Kayano 25, I had specifically shared with you guys that Ortholite insoles are the best quality insoles. They provide a good level of cushioning. Moreover, when I researched, I found out that these come with an arch supported insoles also. So that means there is a bulge just below your arch area. So it provides you good stability while you walk. It's an absolutely comfortable shoes. Guys, it's a perfect blend of style and comfort. You can pair them with denims or casual shorts and they just look amazing. These are very compatible style-wise and can be clubbed with almost any casual outfit. They have their own culture and style statement. These are Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66 metallic pack. I hope you loved this unboxing and on-feet review video. Keep sharing it with your friends also. Stay tuned to Smart Kicks because my whole team is constantly working to bring you latest updates on shoes and shoe brands. Please share any ideas and suggestions if you have in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you go away. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you very soon in our upcoming video.